Grade 5, Unit 4, Beautiful Nature. Part 1, Term 1, We Can. New words. Nature, nature, nature. T-U-R-E is pronounced chur, nature. Here we have the new word beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We have the translation in Arabic, you can read it yourself. And then we have here butterfly. This is a butterfly. The butterfly is beautiful. It is a beautiful butterfly. Beautiful, beautiful. A daffodil, a daffodil, a daffodil, a daffodil. It's a flower. So, a daffodil, a daffodil. Snake, a snake, a snake, a snake, a snake, a snake. Plastic bag, a plastic bag, a plastic bag, a plastic bag, a plastic bag. Shake, 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 shake. Snow, 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 snow. Mountains, mountains, mountains. Flowers, 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 flowers. Campfire, 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 campfire. A star, a star, a star, a star, a star. Sky, 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 sky. Smile, 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 smile. A hill, a hill, a hill, a hill, a hill. The 4 seasons. Summer, 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 summer. Winter, 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 winter. Fall, 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 fall. Spring, 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 spring. End of part 1.